Our journey with Homzinterio started somewhere around June last year. The preliminary presentation was impressive, and I got a feeling that yes, Homzinterio is the right partner to choose for my dream home.
This was my dream home, and I wanted to be perfect. So I asked to give me some modern designs and innovative ideas, and she helped me a lot in getting those. All the ideas which she gave, I liked them, and she helped me in choosing the colors and the material, and this all came out really well. I am really happy with the team.
The implementation was quick with good project management skills. Overall, I am quite happy with the outcome, and I feel that Homzinterio is a company of professionals who provide end-to-end solution, and you can rely with a peace of mind for Homzinterio.
I really liked my room. The best thing about my room was the glow in the dark moon and stars.
I will also recommend everyone who is looking for their home interiors. This is the best place. You can trust them and make your dream homes perfect.
Thanks to Homzinterio